This is the weirdest angle to start a vlog, but I have a very long day today and it's currently 6:38 in the morning on a Friday, and I thought I should take you guys with me and do like a day in my life sort of a vlog. I haven't done one of these in so long and I look like a mess. I have a full day of shoot to go for, so I've decided to kind of like show you my day from the beginning. It's very rare that my day starts this early. It usually starts at like 1 in the afternoon. But yeah, that's happening today. So I decided to make myself some breakfast. This is chickpea, like a stir fry that I did with some onions, ginger, and a little bit of balsamic, and I think that's about it, and some salt. Got 3 eggs, so I'm gonna make an omelette. I've got like cheese inside that dabba, so I'm just gonna make myself some breakfast. Also, this is the packing situation right now. Oh my god, it's such a mess. I actually went shopping and I have quite a bit of shopping that I kind of unpacked right there because I was looking for something. I am taking this bag today with me because it's like really big and I can fit like my laptop and everything because I need to edit a video while I'm shooting in between sets. Finally got around to packing my bag. It looks like I'm going to the airport, but I'm just going for a shoot. So I made it. I'm here. Hi. And we're just about to start. There is a lot happening today. I got my fake hair on. Sorry, I didn't get your name. Oh, me. Hi. So yeah, she's getting my fake hair on. Took out my Bellamy extensions after forever. I don't know if I told you guys what we're shooting for. We're doing a shoot for Pantene, which I'm very excited about. I'm also actually very excited about Mawsum doing my makeup. Remember the last time it turned out so nice? Yeah. With that maroon like play suit. Yeah. That was so nice. Yeah. I think we're gonna get started with the makeup. The first scene is me waking up. Yeah. You put moisturizer? I did. Okay. Yeah.
Shot 1B, scene 1, shot 1B, take 1. Ready, and come. Yeah, throw it up high. Okay. Yeah. Now nice, but come on my cue. Okay, the snap of fingers. Okay. When is my cue? You go snap. Snap. The moment she moves, then you move. Okay. Okay. Because it has time. As soon as she sits up, you should stay in position. Okay. Ready? And wait. Rolling. Don't call again. And call once in the sequence, and then the same as. I thought you cut. No, I didn't. No, still rolling. Ready? And come. One more. Sorry, one more.
So I just got done with the first scene, which was me like frantically waking up. I have Ria here with me. I think you guys know Ria.
Guys, see if I can help him now to speed it up. The cupboard has to go there, wardrobe has to come inside over here. This bed has to move back into position, and that so is the unit.
ये फ्रेम इधर से जैसे ये फ्रेम किया था वो बेड पे जो लाइट है उसमें फ्रेम कर रहा हूं वो कट कर रहा हूं मैं.
They're setting up my wardrobe.
Ready and action. More flipping. Pick out your outfit. Sigh. Oh shit, this thing blocked it. Action. Yeah. Flip. More, take more worried. Yeah, flip back. Pick out your outfit now. Leave a gap. You take 5. Go. Flip.
Sorry.
Flip. No, okay. And go. Yeah. Now pick out. Sigh. And run out.
So that's the set for the third scene of part 1. I think so. So that's my second look because I'm in the bathroom and my hair's on a top knot. It's a very pretty background. But yeah, so that's my second look and we're just waiting for the set to be completed and then what time is it though? What time is it?
1 o'clock.
It's 1 and we're only done with
Okay, we are sorted. We've done this.
3 scenes.
It's a very pinpoint, soft thing. Okay. Now move. I think it's fine. Like we'll manage. Little. I don't think that would be. Oh.
Okay, I will try not to run like really.
What other option do you have?
We just got done with, I think this was the penultimate one, no? Like the second last
In the first
part. And we have 2 more parts left and they are changing like the setup right now. And this was like me frantically running around to pick my stuff up. I'm actually very excited for you guys to watch this video. But yeah. And also, I just had the best coffee ever. So I hope this is the last and final part of today's shoot. We're still here. What time is it? It's 9 in the night. Exactly 12 hours from when I was here. I've got a camera in front. Yes. Sorry, some cameraception. Yeah, because like right now we're just filming this as well.
I think she's waiting for silence so that she can actually vlog.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Don't worry about it. I'm just looking at my hair if it looks good.
Roll karo.
Yeah, roll
Just gonna get my hair out.
Don't cut now at all, okay, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're done. Like literally sleeping in here.
See, what's happening? We've done the best. Okay, so basically when you pick up your phone will say it's Sunday, you need more sleep. So you look at it. Yeah, you look at it and they're like, oh.
And then I'll pull my blanket up.
That's it. This is all.
Then drop a little.
No. Wait for it to touch off first. But then go back. Wait for it to touch off first. Then focus it off first. Then it takes it back. Focus on. Cut. Roll. Shot 5, take 4. Shot 5, take 4. Only when it touches the off first, then go. Ready? Go.
That was the end of the shoot. I think I died. I crashed right after that because it was such a long day. I went home at like 2 in the night, and what you saw in the previous shot was the last shot of the day, and that's usually how shoots are for me. It's such a long day, so I could not finish the vlog that day because I think there was no space on my memory card. My vlog camera had died and I was so sleepy once I got back. Right now I'm in a plane actually. I am on my way back from Hanoi. I'm on my way to Singapore while you're watching this, and I'll be in Singapore while you're watching this, and this was day 2 of September. I am so glad you guys could come along with me and experience like a day in a life with me when I have like a long ass shoot. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed Debasree, and I'm so excited for all the other videos that's coming along. Please make sure that you are subscribed in case you do not want to miss any one of the videos that I put up every day in the month. And that's it. I'll see you super soon. Bye.